Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla technical series. In this video, we will see how we can handle the submission of the newly created Horilla form view. So in the last video, we have mapped the uh, form view into our Horilla navbar view. So now let's see how we can handle the submission. I'm going to my VS Code. Then inside, I'm going to the newly created Horilla form view. Here is our Horilla shift request form view inherited from Horilla form view. Okay. Inside this form view, there's a function called def valid, form valid. So here we will be handling the submission for Horilla form view. Like if form dot is valid, sorry, we will save the form dot save. Okay. From here, you can handle the other logic that you want to apply while adding this instance to our database. Okay, let's import the messages for now from Django.contrib import messages. Okay, now let's provide the messages like success. It will take a request self.request, then provide the message like shift request has been added. Okay, once it is saved, inside the Horilla form view, there is a HTTP response subclass. It will render a script to handle other reloading, like the message reloading or the view reloading. So once the action is successful, we need to add this response, or you can directly write your own response by importing the HTTP response from Django HTTP, like from Django.http import HTTP response. You can add your own logic. For now, I'm going to use the already created parent HTTP response. So return self.http response. So inside that, there is some built-in scripts that will reload the messages, reload the table, card, etc. Okay, let's restart and check what is actually happening right now. Okay, let's wait to server to reload. Okay, now let's refresh. Then click on the create for Avery Hill. Maybe I shift over some description. Okay, here you can see the messages come. Table is now automatically restarted. Here is our Avery Hill request that we just created. So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.